Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you're looking for a work platform that's made out of galvanized aluminum, so it's lightweight, maybe about 14 pounds, that is not only foldable, but that can hold up to 400 pounds of weight and is adjustable in height, this video is for you. So this is what it looks like, all folded up close. There is grip tape, as noted here on the top, folds up nice and convenient. It's about 14 pounds, kind of give you an idea from a size standpoint, and something that can kind of be put out of the way when not in use. And the cool part is that it is easy to assemble, raise up, raise down, and then also storage. It does come with handles like this, so when you're carrying it around, need to take it to a job site, need to move it around or do something with it, it's kind of easy to use. It does come with gloves and a couple extra support pins, so when you're locking it all together. And this is how easy it is to fold, unfold, and put back together. So it just opens up like this, snaps into place. Once it's assembled, there are pretty much these spring pull pins that are all the way around. And there also is a support cable. So once it's popped open like this, I mean, it's solid, it's not going anywhere. It does have rubber feet on the bottom, so for a no slip setup. Then you have locking pins on all four corners that just with a twist can be easily adjusted. So to adjust the height, these pins come out. This can go all the way up. So if need be, it can be an 18 inches high, all the way up to 29 inches high. But for this example, we don't need that much height, so we're gonna leave it here at the 18 inches. So when needing to get up and get to something, you're good to go. So like in this example, reaching up and getting access to maybe some overshelves or anything, very easy. I mean, it is not going anywhere, very sturdy. The grip tape's nice because your feet are not gonna want to slip. It's very grippy. Working platform on top is roughly 39.5 inches by 11.25. Collapsing it down is just as easy, if not easier, than putting it up. Pretty simple. You just fold it up, turn it over. With these pins here, this goes down. Second one goes down. Take these two pins. You're good to go. Overall, solid workbench. If you need something that's compact, easy to put up, sturdy, you can raise the height up or down. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, could you do a little tutorial, a little overview of our adjustable work platform? Hopefully, any and all of your questions got answered. But this is very cool, very rugged, very easy to use, and the cool part, because of the material, it's rust resistant. Hope this helps, and we'll talk to you soon.